take these push pins out. Just use a trim tool and just pop those out. And grab this piece and just slide it down. Disconnect the connector right here. Just push on the tab and slide it out. Slide that out of the way. And we're going to use an 8mm socket and take these bolts out. And then the blower motor slides right up. Now slide the new blower motor in place. Keep in mind this area right here, it's like a little exhaust area. That's going to go towards the center of the vehicle. There's a little spot for that. Right there. And get the bolts started. Yeah, with those all in, now we'll just tighten them down. Try to tighten them down evenly. Now plug it in, lock it down. Now slide this panel in place and push the push pins in. And lock it down.